Hello guys, welcome to the 19th session of API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this session we will see the what is event and use it. Event allows us to invoke the intent without the using query. We will use the same intent that we have created in the previous session. Let's switch to the API.AI and expand the event section. There are several predefined events exist for the welcoming for the different integration. Here we are interested to create our one new event. For that we need to write the name here. Here are the Slack, Google, Facebook and Telegram welcome events. I am creating the new one with the name ask name and click on the save button. I am going to set the name again. My name is Nilay and retrieve by what is my name. To test the event we need to use the CURL. For that click on the copy CURL link and open the Postman app and click on the import button and paste raw text here and click on the import. Click on the parameters to see the list of parameters that we are sending. Here we are sending the query what is my name and click on the send button. Here we got the response. Here we are used the query and we got the response. Now I am going to remove the query and use the event. To specify the event we need to write the E and the name of the event. I am created ask name and let's click on the send button and here we got the response. You can see that the intent name is the what is my name and result query is the ask name. However, in the users section we are not specified that the user will be say the ask name. Let's see what we are learning in this session. We are see what is event and set the event in the intent. Test it by using the CURL. To send the request via the event we need to use the E parameter instead of the query. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.